Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing a scientific discovery profound enough to shake the very foundations of our self-perception, evidence that the ingredients for life may have extraterrestrial origins, and that this cosmic signature might be embedded within the DNA of every living thing on Earth. The catalyst for this paradigm shift is NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission. In 2023, the spacecraft returned precious cargo samples from the nearer asteroid Bennu. The initial analysis of these pristine materials, announced in early 2025, has sent shockwaves through the global scientific community, forcing us to re-answer the ultimate questions: who are we, and where did we come from? Let's start with a startling conclusion. It is possible that 100% of the raw molecular building blocks for our DNA originated not on Earth, but in the vastness of space. We already know that modern human DNA contains about 4% inherited from Neanderthals. Now, it appears that an even more ancient interstellar contributor may have prefabricated the essential chemistry of life over 4.5 billion years ago, before the Earth even formed. To put it bluntly, humans might be genuine cosmic hybrids. The long-held belief that life on Earth arose entirely independently in a primordial soup is being challenged, and said Earth may have simply been the recipient of a cosmic chemistry care package. This reality is stranger than science fiction. The puzzle of life's rapid appearance on Earth, the origin of life, is the universe's most improbable miracle. The leap from inorganic molecules to a self-replicating, metabolizing entity requires crossing immense chemical chasms. Understanding if this miracle occurred elsewhere would help us grasp whether humanity's current trajectory is a unique mistake or cosmic commonplace. The problem is, we have no confirmed evidence of life beyond Earth. Worse, we don't fully understand how life began here. However, a crucial clue lies in its astonishingly rapid appearance. The earliest fossil evidence of life dates to just a few 100 million years after Earth cooled from a molten hellscape. Some indirect biochemical evidence suggests it may have emerged even sooner. This timescale is, from a chemical perspective, incredibly short. The progression from basic elements to a functioning cell requires multiple, complex stages of molecular evolution. The sheer speed of life's debut on Earth led some scientists to reconsider panspermia, the idea that life itself, in the form of hardy microbial spores, hitchhiked to Earth on comets or asteroids. While compelling, panspermia lacks a smoking gun. No definitive traces of living extraterrestrial microbes have ever been found in meteorites. A more plausible path, panspermia-lite or molecular panspermia. A more widely accepted middle ground is molecular panspermia. This theory doesn't claim that life arrived from space, but that its fundamental molecular ingredients did. It posits that the complex organic molecules essential for life were synthesized not on early Earth, but in the depths of space, some even predating our solar system. These prefabricated parts were then delivered to Earth via asteroid and comet impacts during its early history, effectively giving the process of abiogenesis a massive head start. Evidence for this has been accumulating for decades. The Miller-Urey experiment, 1952, showed that amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, could form under conditions simulating earlier. The Murchison meteorite, 1969. This carbonaceous chondrite meteorite was a game-changer. It was found to contain over 90 different amino acids, as well as the key molecular components of DNA and RNA, purines and pyrimidines nucleobases. Crucially, some of these molecules were 7 billion years old, older than the Sun itself. Furthermore, the amino acids in Murchison were a mix of left-handed and right-handed forms, while life on Earth exclusively uses left-handed ones. This proved they were of non-biological, cosmic origin. Subsequent space missions, like Japan's Hayabusa probes and the SAS Rosetta, further confirmed that asteroids and comets are rich in organic molecules. OSIRIS-REx, the smoking gun from asteroid Bennu. The OSIRIS-REx mission was designed to obtain a pristine, uncontaminated sample. Bennu was chosen because it is a primitive, carbon-rich asteroid, the time capsule from the early solar system. In 2020, the spacecraft successfully touched Bennu's surface and collected approximately 250 grams of material, which was returned to Earth in a sealed capsule in 2023 for analysis in an ultra-sterile lab. The results were nothing short of revolutionary. The Bennu sample provided three key pieces of evidence that strongly support molecular panspermia, the complete genetic alphabet. For the first time, scientists found all 5 of the nucleobases that serve as the letters of the genetic code: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine specific to DNA, and uracil specific to RNA. This is the full set required for a genetic system. The universe, it seems, can pre-assemble the entire instruction manual for life, a rich mix of amino acids. The sample contained 14 of the 20 amino acids used by terrestrial life. Like the Murchison meteorite, they exhibited a mix of left and right-handed forms, confirming their abiotic, extraterrestrial origin. Evidence of an ancient cosmic kitchen, the sample contained minerals that can only form in the presence of slowly evaporating salty water. It also had high concentrations of ammonia, suggesting its original parent body formed in the cold outer solar system. This paints a picture of a wet, chemically active world where these life-building molecules could have formed and concentrated. Bennu's story and its cosmic implications. Scientists have pieced together Bennu's history. It is likely a fragment of a much larger parent body that formed in the icy reaches beyond Jupiter. Radioactive decay warmed its interior, creating subsurface oceans of salty water. Within these waters, simple molecules reacted to form the complex organic compounds we see today. A catastrophic collision shattered this world, and its debris later coalesced into Bennu, which was eventually nudged into an orbit near Earth. This story is likely not unique. During the late heavy bombardment period, Earth was pummeled by countless such asteroids and comets. They didn't just bring water. They delivered a starter kit of organic molecules that dramatically accelerated the journey toward life. This discovery has profound implications. If a common asteroid like Bennu carried such a complete set of life's ingredients, then other worlds in our solar system like Mars, Europa, or Enceladus likely receive similar deliveries. The chemistry for life may be a universal given. Furthermore, the fact that the nucleobases in Bennu are the exact same ones used by Earth life hints at the possibility of a universal chemical basis for life. The code in our DNA may not be an earthly invention, but a cosmic standard. In a fitting twist, the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, now renamed OSIRIS-APEX, has been sent on a new mission to study the potentially hazardous asteroid Apophis during its close approach to Earth in 2029. The quest for knowledge thus continues, connecting our deepest origins to our future survival. The dust from Bennu is more than just rock. It is a key to understanding our place in a cosmos that seems predisposed to creating the conditions for life. We are not just stardust. We may be the conscious outcome of a chemistry that is written into the very fabric of the galaxy.